Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. So before I begin, I just want to say a very big thank you to every one of you who've subscribed to my YouTube channel, and to every one of you who've been watching my videos. Thank you so much. You made this family so amazing and so good and so sweet. Thank you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy egg cake recipe. Yeah, being that this is my first cooking video in this channel, so guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Come join this amazing family and don't forget to leave a comment telling me if you want to see more videos like this, or if you made this beautiful recipe. Please let me know. I want to know. Anyways guys, so we're gonna dive into the video and I'll see you at the other side. Bye. To start, get a clean dry frying pan, sprinkle in your sugar, making sure the sugar covers every part of the pan. Once you finish with that, put it aside and bring out your bananas. Slice the bananas in equal sizes to fit in your fry pan. Once you finish with the bananas, get your frying pan and arrange them on the sugar one by one. Make sure they fit on the sugar and do not put any one on each other. Once you finish, it should come out as this, perfect and beautiful. Then put it aside. Get a clean bowl, add your egg, then add a pinch of salt, then add your vanilla flavor to it, add your sugar to it and mix them together very well. Once thoroughly mixed, add your milk and mix properly. Then add your vegetable oil. While adding it, be mixing it well. Keep mixing until everything is properly in place and together. Add your flour gradually and be mixing it. Mix the flour until there is no lumps or anything or any raw flour. Just keep mixing it. Mix and mix and mix until you see perfection. Then add another batch of flour and keep mixing as well. Once that is perfectly mixed, add another batch and keep doing that until the flour is finished, and make sure there is no lumps on the flour and everything is just properly and perfectly mixed, because we don't want to have any lumps or any powder on the mixture. Once your flour is perfectly mixed, now add your baking powder to it and mix properly well until you are not seeing any powder. Mix and mix and mix until there is no lumps on your mixture, and it shouldn't be too thick, it shouldn't be too light, it should just be this perfect. Once you notice your mixture is in place and everything is in place, carry your frying pan and pour the mixture on it slowly, making sure there is no lumps, making sure the mixture is just going fluently and perfectly on the pan and on your bananas. If there is any ones left on your pan, make sure you scrape them all out, making sure everything gets into your pan properly well. Now take your tablespoon, use it to spread the batter to cover any of the bananas you can still see. Cover gently so that you won't move the bananas away from the sugar, because we don't want that to happen. Once done, take your pan to your gas and cover it with a lid, then leave it on for 20 minutes. Do not open it, just cover it and leave it there. After 20 minutes, go and check on it. Open it to see if it is ready. Then you can press with your hand to confirm if it is ready. If it's still soft, then it is not ready. Now take your steel or plastic spatula and use it to round the edges. In case if there is any parts still stick to the pan, they could all go off, and then it's easy to take off. If it is still very soft, then you want to turn it and put the hob on the pan and then put it on your gas again for 3 minutes. After that, take it off and then you're ready. There you go. So beautiful and smells so nice. There we go, our sweet, soft, delicious one egg cake. So you can either serve this with a soft drink, or you can have it as breakfast, or just a snack while you're watching TV or while you're resting. It's so good, delicious, and just perfect. So soft and yummy. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me if you tried this recipe and if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to tell me other videos you would like to see on this channel, because you made this channel a success, guys. Yeah, anyway, so I'll see you in my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Love you all. Bye.